Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Epson XP 2205 printer to Wi-Fi. So as you can see that currently I'm on the official website of epson.co.uk and they have given you the explanation in order to connect your Epson XP 2205 printer with Wi-Fi. So with the printer turned on, you need to hold on the Wi-Fi button and press this type of button once until the uh, this type of button and lights flash alternatively. You need to load the paper into the printer and you need to hold in the this button until the printer starts printing. Once the sheet has been printed off under the section marked as Wi-Fi Direct, you will see the SSID and the password. So once the device, for example phone or a tablet, open the Wi-Fi connection, you just have to look for the Wi-Fi direct device which matches the details printed off and selected it, and then you need to enter the password. Once connected, a light will appear near the Wi-Fi direct icon. So these are some of the steps that you need to take in order to connect your printer to Wi-Fi. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.